when I was working on the Hill in the Senate, one of my favorite things to do was to ask elected officials or their staffers, if you had a magic wand and you could wave the magic wand and eliminate the national debt tomorrow, would you do it? Everyone said, what do you think? Of course. Yes, I would eliminate the national debt with my magic wand, no hesitation whatsoever. And I say, okay, what if I give you a different wand? And I ask you if you would like to, you can wave this magic wand and you can eliminate U.S. Treasuries. They'll just be gone from the face of the earth tomorrow. How many people do you think would wave the wand? How many members of the Senate would wave the wand to eradicate the world of Treasury Securities? And you just get a total look of, like, why are you, I don't understand the question. You say, that's okay, you already answered it, right? Eliminating the national debt means eliminating all of those safe securities called U.S. Treasuries that people like to hold in their portfolios, because that's what the national debt is. You pay off the debt, you eliminate the debt, there are no more Treasury securities anywhere. They're done. I think that part of what helped push this message forward was when financial journalists in particular became interested in MMT and started writing about these ideas. So, people putting better questions to our politicians, writing better articles for people to digest, telling better stories on the news, it's going to take a lot of work.